Okay, let's have a look at this question. It says two blocks x and y of masses m and 3m are accelerated along a smooth horizontal plane and F is applied to block x. Is shown what is the magnitude of the force exerted by the block x on block y, this on this during the acceleration. So if you recall, what is F is equals to ma, and so therefore acceleration can be written as F divided by, and in the masses are given 3 is to a is to 3m, so m plus 3m, so a is equivalent to basically m over 4m. And considering block y, so considering y, we have F of xy, right? This is the acceleration. And what is the m of y? What is the m of y? So m into a is F over 4m, and what is the m of y? Y's m is 3m, mass is equals to 3m, so it is equivalent to m, and m has been cancelled. It becomes 3f over 4, and the answer is D. Now let's have a look at another question. Okay, the diagram shows that two trolleys x and y pin cork. The trolleys are released at the same instant. They move towards each other and stick together on impact. Just before the collision, speed of x is 20 centimeter cube. What is the speed of y after the collision? Right? So by conservation of momentum, law of conservation of momentum, what it states? That initial momentum is equals to final momentum, or momentum after collision. Right? So momentum before collision is equivalent to momentum after collision. Okay, so they are asking the speed of y. So I would be writing 0 is equals to mx plus my into v, because initial momentum was 0. This is initial and this is final. So if it's 0, then v would be 0. So our answer is 0. Now looking at this question, you would realize that two trolleys are going on head-on collision, and when they are moving towards each other, so we have to find out first the initial momentum, right? Initial momentum of the trolleys, that is equivalent to 6 if I am taking this as positive. So 6 into 5 plus now 10. But now if this direction is positive, then this direction is negative. So plus 10 into minus 3, 3.0. Okay. Now what I am getting? I am getting 0. Right, this is 30 and this is minus 30, so I am getting 0. So final momentum of two trolleys is also 0 then, because of law of conservation of momentum. This means that both the 6 and the 10 kg come to a rest after collision. So by Newton's second law, I would be saying that average force on 6 kg is equals to change in momentum m into v on change into t. So now we are aware that total collision before the collision was 0, and after this is negative. So a negative sign basically means that the average force is acting towards the left in order to stop the trolley. So by Newton's third law, any force on this